going on, guys? I got a new project here. This is a 2003 Grand Am GT 30th anniversary. Does not have the hood. That was optional from what I've learned so far, and the wingless too. But I have a hood in the garage for the car that I bought a while back. Interior is pretty clean. Leather's not ripped up or anything. Needs new padding here. Need to be cleaned up, you know, but other than that, it's pretty decent shape. Has 116,000 miles on it and needs some maintenance. So today what I'm going to be doing is spark plugs, alternator, it's bad, wires, what else did I get for this thing? Spark plug, wires, alternator, oh, and a belt. So I'm doing, put this hood prop up here. So I'm doing spark plug, wires, belt, alternator, and then this week, later this week, I'm doing wheel bearings, both front sides, and I'm going to be doing all these gaskets here. So I'm doing everything above the head, so the valley and the upper plenum here. Valve covers, O-rings, injector O-rings, the whole thing. So all these are going to get refreshed as well. But today, like I said, alternator, belt, spark plug, wires. I'm not really going to show step by step on this. I can tell you real quick. Support the motor, remove that top bracket there so you can get the belt around, and do the alternator, which is pretty simple. It's a few bolts here and there. And then always disconnect your negative battery cable first before working on the car and doing electrical. Because like I said, if you watch my other videos, the whole car is ground. So if you're going to do the positive, you risk still arcing something. You don't want to do that. So let's get to it. All the way, get that bracket there, and what do we have here for sizes? There's like a 15 is one of them. Oh, that's a 16. Okay, there's a 15 there, and what's the next one? 18. There you go. Leave the belt there for now. Let's go ahead and do that negative battery cable. Go from there. This is the first time to replace, looks like. It's a firewall. Shield here has some damage to it. That right here. And that's out. Let's go ahead and put this, get this alternator installed here. Power steering lines, get that in place there. Okay. Just gonna put a little bit of dielectric grease on here. And a little bit into the plug. so. Put that there. Okay. Alright, belt's on. It's on its place. Put his motor mount back on. Oh, I guess deep for that one. Which I don't have here. There we go. Okay, that's done. Gotta put the cruise control back. There you go, that's all done. Alright. Both new alternator and belt are installed. Got that grease up there. Now I'll do spark plugs. Let's test the alternator first. Fixed, new belts on. I do a tune-up to it and new plugs and wires for the day for today. Alright, so the best way to do these is, honestly, to do one at a time. You can match your length of new wires. Pull it out. That way you don't lose where it goes. And so the process is put some diluted of grease on the wire. Put on there and there, put your spark plug in, call it a day. Match up the wires by length. So it looks like these two are the closest. Dielectric grease inside the boot. On both ends. Like so. Go ahead and here for the click, run it back, we pulled it out, right on down, like so, make sure it's all tucked in where it's supposed to be, and right there. So let's pull that plug out now. Yeah, it looks so nasty. go. We got the factory too. AC Delcos. Like that, and put the new boot on there. Alright, wires are all done. Got the grease in them, all cleaned up. Let's go ahead and fire it up. That should idle down here in a minute. She's tuned up, new alternator, new belt, new plugs and wires. Now I was waiting for the gaskets to get here. Gaskets and wheel bearings. And then make sure the brakes after that and go from there. Anyway, that's a quick intro to this car. If you like this video, comment, like, subscribe, share, whatever you want to do. And if you have any questions, you know where to find me. Thanks for watching.